Welcome to Sarasas Wited Suratani School. Good day, students. It's me again, Teacher Minette. And today, I will be teaching Social in Grade 3. Today's new topic in Unit 4 is about history. And it's all about measuring time. But before we proceed to our discussion, let's have first our vocabulary words. Okay, please listen carefully and repeat after me. History. Again, history. Next is measure. Again, please, measure. Next, century. One more time, century. Calendar. Again, calendar. And the last word is millennium. One more time, please. Millennium. Now we are going to spell the word correctly. Please listen carefully. The first word is history. Now let's spell the word history. H-I-S-T-O-R-Y. History. Again, history. Now let's spell the word measure. M-E-A-S-U-R-E. Measure. One more time, please. Measure. Let's spell the word century. C-E-N-T-U-R-Y. Century. Again, please. Century. Next word is calendar. Now let's spell the word calendar. C-A-L-E-N-D-A-R. Calendar. One more time. Calendar. And the last word is millennium. Okay, let's spell the word. M-I-L-L-E-N-N-I-U-M. Millennium. One more time, please. Millennium. Good job, students. Now let us proceed to our discussion. What is history? Okay, when we say history, it is what happened in the past. Okay, can you read one more time? History is what happened in the past. Now let's measure time. Now in measuring time, it is important to remember the equivalent time in a year and how many days. Okay, let's start with a year. Okay, so a year is equivalent to 365 days. Okay, can you read? A year equals 365 days. Next is a decade. Okay, a decade is equals to 10 years. Okay, can you read one more time? A decade equals 10 years. Next is century. Okay, century is equivalent to 100 years. Okay, can you read again? Century equals 100 years. The last one is millennium. Okay, millennium is equivalent to 1,000 years. Okay, can you read again? Millennium equals 1,000 years. Now, do you know what is a calendar? Okay, when we say calendar, it helps us measure time. Okay, can you read one more time? Calendar help us measure time. So there are two main types of calendar. Okay, please read one more time. There are two main types of calendar. So what are those? The first one is the Buddhist calendar. Okay, again, the Buddhist calendar. The second one is the Gregorian calendar. One more time, the Gregorian calendar. So we will discuss this again next time, the difference of this. But remember that the Buddhist calendar is 543 years ahead of the Gregorian calendar. Okay, can we read one more time? The Buddhist calendar is 543 years ahead of the Gregorian calendar. Like for example, (2559) BE is the same as 2016 AD. Now let me see if you can answer this. In a year, how many days do we have? So we have 365 days. Very good. Next is a decade. How many years in a decade? Let me see your answer. It has 10 years. Okay, so how about a century? So how many years do we have in a century? Okay, let me see your answer. We have 100 years. Very good. Next is millennium. Alright, so how many years do we have in millennium? Okay, let me see your answer. We have 1,000 years in millennium. Good job, students. Alright, students. So our topic will be continued next time. So thank you for watching in our video for today, and I hope you learned something on it. Okay, until next time, bye bye.